Top 5 washing machines under 20,000 in India 2025. Number 5, Whirlpool Stain Wash Royal Plus. Price, 15,990. 6.5 kg, 5-star. Inbuilt heater, stain removal pro, gray design. Ideal for small families. Number 4, Panasonic 8 kg, 2025 model. Price, 16,990. Active foam wash, 12 programs, antibacterial inlet. Large capacity, sleek charcoal gray finish. Number 3, Samsung 7 kg Eco Bubble. Price, 17,990. Digital inverter, soft closing door, stylish lavender gray. Silent and energy efficient. Number 2, LG 8 kg Smart Inverter. Price, 19,490. Turbo drum, auto pre-wash, LED display. Smart diagnosis, clean and smart. Number 1, Samsung 8 kg Eco Bubble. Price, 19,990. 5-star, digital inverter, soft close door. Light gray beauty with powerful performance. Which one is your pick? Comment below. Like, share and follow for more tech tips. Product links is in the description. Tap to buy.